Hello students, good morning. Once again welcome back to our online teaching of St. Thomas School Mova for class 6 English. We have started our chapter 5, We Can Invent. So in this chapter we have finished till activity 8. Today let's start our activity 9. Here they given some space for draw your own invention. Write a description of what it does so you can file your patent. So, in this space you have to draw your invention and write down description. What it does, you can file your patent. So, activity 9, you have to draw. I sent PDF. From this PDF you have to draw out and write down its description. We go as per activity 10. The paper video game. Something original for a change. My very own game. I am sure there must be plenty of other people that have made something similar to this. But until they come and pull me up on this, I am the proud and sole creator of the paper video game. Here they talk about paper video game. So, in this activity 10, we have to prepare a video game with paper. This was something that I had created sometime in 5th or 6th standard, when handheld video games were a craze in India. I wasn't able to get my hands on one, so I created one with whatever resources I had plenty of at the time, namely paper and pencils. For this game I use paper and pencil. First, how to create one? You need a piece of paper, ruled or otherwise, pencil and eraser, a fertile imagination, another tiny piece of folded paper, aluminium foil tightly curled into a small ball with a flat bottom. From this, you have to prepare a paper video game. Here step 1. First, fold the sheet of paper as illustrated. There are 2 folds required. This gives it a kind of spring effect. Don't press too hard to make fold. Otherwise, the paper loses its springiness. Repeat for all 4 edges of the sheet of paper. As per that, you have to prepare a paper video game. Now draw your beautiful game on it. I generally created courses that my little paper foil ball had to make across. With alternate courses and bonuses, etc., draw your controls on the paper and voila, you have your paper. As per step 3, so you have to prepare this paper video game. Another thing, from this chapter, we have to write an essay. Writing skill, do you know? Write an essay on modern invention. Modern inventions. It is an age of science. Discoveries and inventions are taking place. Science helps men to manufacture a pin and also a jet plane. Men's comforts have increased and these powers strengthened. Man is now the master on land, on sea and in air. So, from this chapter we have to write an essay on modern invention. I sent with PDF. So all activity till 10 you have to write down in your notebook. In our next video we will start our last chapter 6. Okay, thank you.